Hello everyone, once again welcome into my YouTube channels, and today I'm here with a new topic, and the topic name is how to set up and how to remove any image, any photo background image, any complex image, okay, in a second, within a second. Okay, so watch this video till the very end. Okay, my name is Sunil Chauhan, father of two children and husband of a beautiful wife, and an IT professional turned into a fitness coach. Okay, so let's take a jump on the screen. Before going on the screen, watch till the end of this video. Okay, because I'm going to share with you a very unique way how to use that image in a Canva and how you can create your first post on Instagram. Okay, so without wasting time, let's take a jump on screen. I have already designed my screen here. Okay, so just do one thing, a very simple way. This is the website remove.bg. okay, this is the front of your, you just simply type on in your browser remove.bg. okay, when you click, it's automatically navigate on this screen, and you just pick here upload image, right? Sorry, you can upload your image here. Let's suppose let me take this. Suppose that I want to be this one. I want to be remove the background of this one image. Simply you just click, and here is the magic. You just see what happened. Yeah, okay, right? And now, yeah, you can see your background absolutely removed. Okay, simply you can be download this one. You just click here. When you click, it will take a little bit time, and you just save this one file, save as. Okay, I just save this in my desktop. Simply you can be click, and if you want to change the name like this, we'll see 1 2 3, and I just save it here. Okay, so you can be use multiple images. You just simply upload the image here. Okay, let's see this one. I just use this Prabhupada Bhakti Vedanta Guruji. Let's see. Okay, simply. Okay, same you can download same. Okay, and you just save this. Okay, Prabhupada on desktop. Okay guys, so this is all about how to remove complex, okay, and how to remove your background image. And now, if let me take an example also. Suppose that if you want to remove a very complex, okay, a very complex image. Suppose that if I use this one, okay, and I open. Now you see here in behind of this one. Suppose that if you want to remove this one, okay, a chair, simply you just click here on edit option. There are so many other options. You can see if you want to need like as a blur, okay, you simply click here, any color, right? There are so many other options here, but I think we are not using all these stuffs. Okay, simply you can be my main purpose is that I want to remove that particular background. Okay, you just simply click here, okay, and edit again and erase. Now you can resize your brush. Okay, if you want to increase and decrease, you can see here on the screen. Okay, and you also increase the portrait size of your image. Let's see. You just click here, very simple way, and yes, now, right? So this is done. okay, and download your image. So I give you 3 example. Okay, let's see this one. A very simple and attractive, and I give another name, Sunny. I want to save it on the desktop. Simply here. Now, my dear friend, where we can use this one? A very simple way. Okay, you just click here and click on the Canva. If you don't have any idea what is the Canva, okay, watch my previous video where I have to share what is the Canva. A 20 or 25 minutes video. You can be sound a good knowledge about what Canva. Okay, you just do also. Now what we have to do, let's suppose I want to create an Instagram post. Okay, let me take on very quickly. You just click here, you just click on the Instagram post. Okay, and here, okay, it will take a few time. Now you in a template, you can see here there are so many templates, but we need only free template. Now see this one is a free, right? Oh, it's a pro version, it means it's not a free. Let me take another, like this one. Okay, so a very simple way, you just upload your image here. You just click on the upload button, and I have already uploaded here. Okay, let me give you an example. You just click on your device. You can also use the option drag and drop. Okay, you can be drag and drop. Suppose that if here, where is my remove.bg? It's on a desktop now. Yes, simply yes, this one visa. Yeah, and you can open this one here. Okay, and simply you can also use this one. Suppose that if you want to do drag and drop, the another option is, now let Prabhupadji, and just click here. Okay, right? Now simply you can pick and fit inside of the as I already explained. I don't want to go very deeply right now regarding of Canva, how to use. You just watch that video where I have to share all the tools, how to, what is a template, a brief information is over there. Okay, now here you just type hi, and anything if any type of, if you want to create any such kind of image, any post. Okay, let's suppose if you want to add some, okay, catch me live tonight, catch me live tonight on Insta 9:30 p.m. Sorry, 9:30 p.m. So you can also change your background color. Suppose that if you want this color, I just want to this one, and you can resize your text. If you want to do bold, italic, it's up to you. And if you want to change your font, you can do same thing also. And suppose that if I want to give a little bit of spacing, right, this one, and change the color in red, no, in this one. Right, so our post is ready now. Okay guys, and simply you can download this one in a PNG format and download. So your post is ready without background. So my dear friends, it's a very simple way you can be make your post very attractive using a video, remove.bg.com. Now see. Okay, so thank you so very much watching this video. I hope I provide you some good value, and I wish to subscribe my channel, okay, and like the video, because your comments and your likes give me a more energy, and always we come up with with new topic, okay, that will be help with you in your growing your business, okay, digital online business, okay. And make sure if you are interested, okay, what type of business I do, okay, click the link in below, okay, and we can be discussed. Thank you so very much, my dear friends. Thank you so very much.